Hello, first graders. Today we are going to take a look at your spelling words for the week. So, our target skill for this lesson is I can spell words with the short I sound. Do you remember what the short I says? It says I, like igloo. So we are going to search for the short I sound in our spelling words this week. Now, boys and girls, I would like for you to go and grab a piece of paper and a pencil. You may pause this video. You will need a piece of blank paper and a pencil. Ready, go. All right, boys and girls, if you have your piece of paper and your pencil, this is what we are going to do today. I am going to say a spelling word, and you are going to stretch it out and listen for all of the sounds, and you're going to write it down on your piece of paper. And then I'm going to tell you how we spell it, so you can check yourself and see if you already know how to spell your spelling words for the week. So, your first word is if. If. If I had a superpower, I would want to fly. If. All right. Did you write it down on your sheet of paper? Did you hear the short I sound in this word? If is spelled I-F. If. What if it rained candy from the sky? Yes. Your next spelling word, boys and girls, is. Is. What is your name? Is. Is spelled I-S. Is. Now, boys and girls, if you remember this sneaky sound, Z is made by the S in this word. Is. It is his birthday. All right, your next word is him. Him. Write it down on your piece of paper. Him. Him is spelled H-I-M. Did you stretch out those sounds, boys and girls? Him. Do you see and hear the short I sound in this word? It's in the middle. It is the middle sound. I play with him. All right, your next word is rip. Rip. Be careful not to rip your pants. Rip. Rip. Rip is spelled R-I-P. R-I-P. Rip. Oh no, the shirt has a rip. Your next word is fit. Fit. Do your shoes fit? Fit. Stretch out the sounds and write each sound you hear. Fit is spelled F-I-T. The shoes fit. Your next word is pin. Pin. Will you put a pin in the wall? Pin. Pin is spelled P-I-N. Pin. Will you pin the picture on the wall? Pin. All right, boys and girls, these are your spelling words for this week. Every single one of these spelling words has vowel power short I. So you should hear the I sound in every single one of these words. Great job on your spelling job for the week.